everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Raksha, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Raksha.
Hello, Raksha. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi Lohi, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am very happy. I'm excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic.
Very important.
Yes, exactly.
But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. Click the like button and please share this video with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so Lohi, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, a very common question.
People ask this all the time. In a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
That's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes,
So today, we will talk about it. We'll make it easy and fun.
that sounds perfect.
So who starts? You or me?
How about you start, Raksha?
Okay, then you can answer. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with an easy question. What is your name?
My name is Lohi.
Nice to meet you, Lohi. My name is Raksha.
Nice to meet you too, Raksha.
Next question. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Nice. I'm also from India.
Do you live in a big city?
I live in a big city. It's very busy and noisy, but I like it. What about you, Lohi?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet.
That's nice. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes,
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden. That's lovely. I live in an apartment. It's small but very comfortable.
Good.
So now we have name and place. What's next?
How about age, if you want to say?
Of course, I am 24 years old. What about you, Lohi?
I am 26 years old.
That's a good age.
Thank you.
Now a very important question. What do you do?
I am a student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
I study computer basics.
That's very useful. What about you, Raksha? I am an English teacher and content creator. I love teaching English.
That's wonderful.
Now let's talk about family.
Family is a great topic.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me.
What does she do?
She is a college student.
That's nice. How about pets?
Pets? Yes, I like pets.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't, but I like dogs.
That's okay. Now let's talk about things we like, our favorite things. Let's start with food. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dosa.
Nice choice. My favorite food is pasta.
Very tasty.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Mine is green, like nature.
That's beautiful.
What about hobbies? What do you do for fun?
I like listening to music and watching movies.
That's nice. I like reading, teaching, and learning new things.
Very good hobbies.
Do you want to talk about dislikes?
Sure, I don't like waking up very early.
I understand that. I don't like waiting in long lines. So, this is how you answer. Tell me about yourself.
You don't need to say everything.
You can choose what to say.
Yes.
It depends on the situation.
In a class, talk about learning. At work, talk about your job. With friends, talk about hobbies.
Exactly. Tell me about yourself is not a scary question.
It's just a friendly way to start a conversation.
So, speak slowly, use simple sentences, and be confident. Before we go, please remember to subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. Like this video and write a few lines about yourself in the comments.
We would love to read them.
Thank you for watching.
Keep practicing your English.
See you again soon. Bye-bye.